Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a credit card account with Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. Go to the Discover website. Locate the credit cards section on the home page. Click on the option that says Apply Now. You will see a list of Discover credit card options. Choose the card that best suits your needs. Click the Apply Now button next to your selected card. You will be redirected to the application form. Start by entering your personal information. Provide your first and last name. Input your social security number. Enter your date of birth. Add your home address and confirm your residence status. Next, include your contact information. Enter your phone number and email address. Now, move on to employment details. Input your current employer's name. Provide your job title and salary. If you are self-employed, choose the appropriate option and provide additional details. Next, you will need to disclose your financial information. Enter your total annual income. Include any additional sources of income, if applicable. Read through the terms and conditions for the credit card. Make sure you understand the rates and fees associated with the card. If you agree to the terms, mark the corresponding checkbox. Review all the information you've entered. Make any necessary corrections or updates. Once everything looks good, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation page indicating your application has been received. Check your email for any further instructions or updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.